you so much for stopping back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? Welcome to the family. My name is Rose and I'm a girl boss on a budget who loves to project pan and save money. Today's video is my 1 month update for my Go for the Goal project panning collab through the Fantastic Ladies. Of course, like I always do, I'll link them down below. You know, I just recently did the intro to this a couple videos back, but that is why I did it. You know, the intro was late, but I wanted to make sure to get them up for you guys so that way you can watch from beginning all the way to the end of each project. So I was just late getting them up. You know, I started my channel and then, you know, I was trying to get all my intros up to everything and show you guys everything that I am project panning and what different collabs and stuff like that. So I do apologize that, you know, the intro was late, but this 1 month update is not late. It might go up the next day from the actual date. This is a 5-month long project. And so my dates on this are from 9/18/2019 to February 18 of 2020. And what the goal is, or the idea for Budget Beauty, is you pick 4 to 6 items from your collection that are from more affordable brands and focus on those and set a goal on them, whether it be to use them up. Ideally, that's, you know, I think the end all goal that we all want to achieve. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop into the video. So like I said, this is a 5-month long project, and the ideal is to pick 4 to 6 items from your collection that are affordable or drugstore items and focus on getting use out of those 4 to 6 items, set a goal on them, use them up, whatever it is that you can achieve in those 5 months. I will go ahead and show you guys my progress that I have made on these items for this month. And let's go ahead and start out with my Profusion Brows 2. And I am only focusing on the 2 brow powders here, not the brow bone highlight or this funky wax over here. I'm just focusing on the 2 brow powders. And as you can see there, I have definitely, you know, been getting some very good use out of it. I knew that was going to happen. And my goal that I set for this color, the shade Espresso here, is to hit side pan, use it from my left, your guys' right forward. So yeah, the goal is to use this side forward, side pan all the way from over here. And then the shade Java, the goal is to just reach pan on him, whether it be side pan or whatnot. So, you know, I am definitely doing very well and making good progress with the brow stuff, I definitely feel. My next item is my e.l.f. Bronzer Blush Duo in the shade Fiji. Of course, I do know that it takes a very long time to hit pan on hard pressed products, but I put it in the project anyways because it was affordable. So the goal is to try to reach pan on any one of those, on either one. I am, you know, having some pretty good progress on it. It's just hard to see in the camera, so I will be sure to insert photos as well on these so that you can see a better view of it. But, I mean, I'm doing okay with it, the best that I can. Next item is my upside down lid. This is my e.l.f. I don't want to tip it the other way because for whatever reason, the lid always goes on backwards. But I don't want to tip it upside down to show you because then it's going to mess my progress up and the powder has done settled in there and all that good stuff, you guys. So, this is my e.l.f. under eye setting powder, though. I've definitely made some more progress on her, so I will remark it right now so that you guys will be able to see a better visual of the actual progress that I have made. but I have made some progress on her, so that is very nice. It's very satisfying when you know you are making good progress on an item, for sure, especially once you finish up items and stuff. Oh, it's just life, you guys. There's my crappy line, but needless to say, it's a line. So you can see, you know, it's a little bit further down than the other line. Not nothing too crazy, but there is a new line there. That is progress nonetheless. I'm just happy that I'm doing and making progress on these items, especially considering how much stuff that I am painting and project painting right now. So that is pretty cool. There's the new line for this month. There was the line where I first originally started. Okay, next item is my AOA Sculpt and Fix contour stick, cream contour. Very nice. Love me some cream contour. As you guys already know, those who have been watching me know I love me some cream contour. So that is all that is left on her. Almost done. And I'm hoping and almost positive that I will get this used up in the 5 months by February for sure. That will be used up. And then lastly is my e.l.f. Corrector Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Not a fan of this, and especially now it is getting to be too dark for me. You know, that's the struggle. And one thing that I've learned since panning, you know, I'm going to do a part 2 to my tips and tricks on panning, and I'm going to also upload like what I've learned since panning and stuff. But one thing that I have learned is, you know, you got to know how to pick certain products. I mean, I guess you kind of just can't help it, you know, like for instance, summertime, I have a darker shade in foundation than I do, obviously, in the winter and fall. So and I'm losing my tan, so to speak. So items that I selected in the summer now are more of a challenge to use up, stuff like that. This is a perfect example because it is not my shade anymore. But, I mean, I still been using her. And there is a little bit of progress in there. I wish that you guys could see it somehow, but there you can kind of see it right there. You can see how it's like clear, so you can see through. So there's another little bit of progress in here. Nothing too crazy, but there's progress. So I'm gonna mark it right now. And the goal that I set for this is to use half in this project. So I'm not doing too bad. So there's my new line. And I'm almost to my goal. I want to say, I'll have to go back and look on reference, but I want to say I set the goal to use half on this. So I'm almost there. That is almost halfway. I will say we'll be right to the D on Wet n Wild. That'll be my halfway mark. So I got not much to go. That's pretty much all of my items. That is for my 1 month check-in for my Budget Beauty Project Pan collab. And as you can see today, you know, for my look, I just did a more easy, you know, not like a full beat. I'm not wearing foundation. I'm just doing light BB cream, of course, with a little bit of bronzer, blush, and highlight. I don't always wear a full face of makeup. You know, I like to just be more toned down and natural on some days too. And so that's what I did today. And what I used is one of my dupe palettes, which is the Dope palette from Ccolor Cosmetics, and it is a dupe for the Laura Lee Nudie Patootie palette. Very nice palette. As you can see, it performs really nice, and it is a fraction of the cost, you guys. I went and I started taking pictures today for my Instagram of all of my Ccolor cosmetic dupes that I own. And then, you know, of course I had to pull this baby out, and I was like, dang, you know, I haven't played with that in a while. Let me play with her. And it's a very nice palette. Like I said, Ccolor, you know, cosmetics, they are a very good brand, and they are obviously a dupe brand. They are known for duping higher, more expensive products for an affordable price, and I'm all cool. I'm all good with that. You know what I mean? I'm all about saving a buck. Hence the name of my channel, which is Girl Boss on a Budget. So I'm all about it, you guys. I'll be sure to link them down below. Go check them out. Be sure to go check out my giveaway video. I'll link it in the cards. I'm currently hosting a dual giveaway right now. One on my Instagram and one over here on YouTube. So you definitely want to go follow me on Instagram as well. And enter for your chance to win on these giveaways. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That is my number1 rule, to enter in both of them, and I will be checking, you know, and I know a lot of people don't realize that they are set to private. YouTube sets your account automatically to private when you start a YouTube account. Why, I don't know, but you have to go in manually under your settings, under privacy, and switch it to public, because if you are private, I have no way of verifying that you even entered into the giveaway. So make sure you switch your settings to public. That's basically it, you guys. I just wanted to hop on and do my 1 month check-in for my budget beauty project. I am currently in the midst of brewing up my own project pan, because I want to start doing some pan nose eyeshadows and some panning and hit pan on some eyeshadow collabs and stuff. Pan that palette. I want to do one of those and start focusing on some eyeshadows now. I have a lot of other beauty products and makeup, but I haven't started an official eyeshadow palette project yet, just because I had so many palettes that, you know, I didn't even really get to use yet before solely like focusing and really being committed to panning palettes and pan that palette and panning those eyeshadows and stuff like that. So now that I have gotten use out of every palette that I own and am working on, hopefully the video will be up before this one goes up, showing you guys my eyeshadow collection in a 2-part series. It's definitely going to be two episodes of that. So now I can really solely like narrow my focus and start panning and working on eyeshadows, and I will be sure to upload, you know, the ones that I am going to do in collaboration with others, you know, the projects that others have created, and of course I will be sure to share the one that I am thinking and creating my own. You definitely don't want to miss out. I would love to have you guys, please, once I upload that video, I will attach a sign-up form with master list, and please join me in my new collab, you guys. It's going to be so exciting. It's definitely a spin on some pan nose eyeshadows. Just stay tuned for that. There'll be another video to introduce my pan nose eyeshadows series. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out. I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, and I have lots more giveaways and stuff to come. I'm a very giving person. And you know, we just have a lot of fun over here. It's full of lots of love and laughs, and you know, just everybody is so encouraging and loving and kind, and I couldn't thank each and every one of you guys. You know, I'm steadily growing in subscribers. It really means so much to me that you guys are interested in my content. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.